Hello and welcome. I'm at the birdhouse at the zoo and I've come here to show you this Boxlife Pro campervan from Knaus. This thing here, it's called a Pro 600 Street XL, costs nearly 89,000 euros, and believe it or not, and it certainly doesn't look this way, if this were working I'll show you. Anyway, it's 6 meters long. It doesn't want me to show you, but that's the way it is. Now, as you come in, look, it seems there's not much room in here. There is. The bed is out, and the reason the bed is out, it's to demonstrate here that when you sit down here in these seats, I sit in these seats here, you've got plenty of headroom. Don't believe me? There's me. Look, plenty of headroom. The bed is out. Normally you can't even get in at all, but in this case you can. The bed's out. Great. This is the kitchen block, 2 burners, sink. That's the same as you get everywhere else. Bit of space for preparation. We've got these long drawers in here. Coming to the back, we've got the fridge. Ooh, sorry, I hit my head. I was so excited about how high it was that I forgot that if you stand up, you're gonna hit your head. And there, storage in there. That is what the bed looks like, right? And I'll show you in a moment what it looks like when it's down, how much space there is. Okay. Coming into the washroom. Now here's something I don't like at all, and it's that toilet. Now I do appreciate that putting the toilet out gives you lots of room in the shower. Look at all this room I've got in the shower, but these things break, and at least I think they might break. I don't know if this one breaks. I need to point this out very clearly. There's no feedback on any Knaus Tablet toilets breaking. There's none of them not breaking either, but you've obviously got to assume that it's the positive thing. Is in the pilot group, they get stuck. And although Malibu's got them, Malibu's been using them now since what, 2018 I think it is, and I've not had any feedback about them breaking. This looks a bit dodgy, but it's not. That's just a plastic coating for the cover for the sink. Oh, we've got the music. Let's listen to the music. Okay, the music's not loud enough to listen to. I do like this theme tune from the CMT. It's a very gay song, if I'm using the word gay in its former meaning. Look at that space up there, completely and absolutely waste. The only thing you use for that is a bookshelf. That's something to think of. Anyway, also above the toilet, got all this space going to waste. Isn't that absurd? Absolutely ridiculous. Let's have a walk around and see what it looks like from the rear, and then we'll have a look at what it looks like with the bed up. So under there, it's lots of storage. You can see where the toilet is kept and moving. It's meant to move backwards and forwards. You've got that board at the front will come out. It's also got a step up to the bed at the moment. When I was filming, I felt it might be strong enough for me, so I didn't want to put my foot on it and break when I was filming. But in theory, it should hold your weight. That's your gas locker, a small canister, because it's got diesel heating as well. And in this vehicle we can see the bed when it's up, so it's very similar inside. There you go. Good. I mean, it's slightly different because the fridge and things are in different layouts. In fact, I can show it to you. There, washroom's the same, kitchen's got a different layout, and that's what the bed looks like when it's up there. Also note you've got this really nice skylight up there as well. Got plenty of room in here. So there you go. Boxlife Pro 600 Street. As always, I need to point out that other brands you can actually look at. So Pössl has a version of this which I think is far better it uses the space to the maximum, and it's far cheaper, and it's a more reputable firm as well. So do consider that. There'll be a link to that one below. So, but for the moment, from me, thanks for watching, and bye for now.